Hey, what's up, y'all? Hey, listen. Thank you to everybody who continues to rock with us, man. We are still doing this, man. We trying to push this stuff out. If you do rock with us, man, I appreciate it. Drop a like on it, man. Let me know what you think about it, man. If you don't like it, drop a dislike. I'm cool with that too. You know, we just trying to make it happen, right? Don't forget to tell your friends about us, man. We trying to push it up to about 5K, man. If we can hit 5K by the summer, wow, that'd be amazing, man. So rock this subscribe button right here, man, and hit that notification bell. You know, join the crew, man. Come kick it with us. You know what I mean? Let's get into it.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And let me start this video off by saying happy Airmax Day to everybody out there, man. Today is Tuesday the 26th of March. Y'all don't know how hard that was for me to figure out on the fly. But yeah, today is the 26th of March, man, which is Airmax Day. I know in my last video I said the 16th, but old man problem. Man, sometimes you just muck stuff up like that, man. But drop a comment, man. Let me know what y'all had on feet today. Of course, you can see I cracked open the Para guys, man. Cracked open these guys. It was pretty comfortable. I rocked them all day. They don't look too bad, man. Not bad for a day's worth of wear. In the comments, let me know what y'all definitely. And there are a lot of things going on in the city, man. I know over at Soul Play ATL, man, they got a lot of the big time YouTubers out there. Sniper Jones is out there. I believe Mike Rich is out there. T Ward, I believe he's out there. Not sure if Tony is out there. I'm sure Tony's out there. So they got a big event going on for Airmax Day, man. If you made it to that event, man, let me know. I did have tickets to the event, but Gwinnett is all the way on the other side of town, y'all. It's like an hour and 20 minutes there for me with traffic and all of that. I had track practice, just couldn't make it work, man. Also at Amamaniere, they're having a party tonight, man. DJ, food, drinks, the whole nine, man. Big time thing going on with Nike Airmax Day. So y'all let me know what events y'all made it to, man. I don't know what's going on in your home city if you know, wherever you are, man. But I'm sure there's Nike got stuff going on all over the world. So y'all let me know in the comments, man, how it went for you today. But for me, man, I was able to pop in at Epitome ATL, man. All of the good folks over at Epitome, man. Shout out to Epitome. I always like just popping in and chopping it up with them, man. They always have something in there for me, to be honest. And I was able to come up with a couple of things. First and foremost, I got this t-shirt for Austin. Their little Air Epitome, this is something they did for Airmax Day. So that's pretty cool. It also came with some stickers and some pins and a lot of stuff like that. And of course, more stickers, more pins. Shout out to Epitome, more stickers. But you know, it can't be Airmax Day, you're not cop a pair of Air Maxes, right? So I went with these guys, man. I'm not even sure what the name of these are, man. I just saw them and thought they were dope. If these would have dropped 3 years ago, they would have been instant sellouts probably. But these are the Nike Air Max 90 Essential, man. And color scheme is University Red and White. Size 10.5, man. And it's just a clean Air Max, man. It's just a clean Air Max. Everything don't have to be off-white, y'all. Everything don't have to be some kind of collaboration or limited, man. It just need to be dope. And I think these guys are dope, man. What do you think? Got that white Nike Air hitting on all of that University Red. Got that white Air Max right there. Yeah, got that guy there, man. It's pretty dope. It's definitely a dope sneaker, man. Happy to have them in the collection. Air Max 90s, man. Shout out to Epitome for having these and me being able to cop them. That's a little hidden jewel in this. I probably won't even put that in the description, but let's get to what we came to here for today, man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I did see the homie Unbreakable Kicks video on these, man, and I'm with him, man. I've liked these from the beginning. I have several pair of the Airmax ones. I've got this pair, which is the OG DS. Have not worn it yet. I've had this pair for a couple years, man. Just can't bring myself to wear it because I do have these, which are like the 2.0s. These came out, I want to say either 17 or 18. I can't remember, man, but it's the one with the 326 on it. This is why I knew, even though I said the 16th, that it is a 26, because I do have these sneakers and I do rock them to death. I rock these to track meets and all, man. As you can see, man, I do like the model. So when the plug hit me up, man, shout out to the plug. When the plug hit me up and asked me if I wanted these guys, man, I was like, of course, man. So there you got that signature on the box, man. Tinker Hatfield. You guys should already know what this is by that. You should know what it is by the description, to be honest. But in case you've been under a rock and didn't read the description, these are the Air Jordan 3 Retro TH, which stands for Tinker Hatfield SP. Color scheme is white university red, and these are size 10.5. These retail for $225, man. That is probably the most expensive Tinker that has been to date so far. But to its defense, it's got the most to offer so far. So let's get into these guys here, man. And here you have them, man. The Tinker Hatfield Air Jordan 3, aka the homage to the Air Max 1s, man, in the OG colorway. And I know people been feeling a certain way about these shoes, man, but I think they are completely dope. The materials, you got some pretty plush materials going on here. You know, sometimes the Jordan 3s, this can be pretty stiff, man, but that's pretty soft, man. The leather is pretty good. This suede, I believe that's suede there. It's very nice, man. It's very, very premium suede on that guy, man. So, and the most important thing about this shoe, man, if you did not know, is it has the removable swooshes, man. So let's get into that a little bit. It does come with several different swooshes, man. We're gonna go through all of the swooshes here. You get 2 of the elephant print, which are those guys, man. You get 2 of these, I wanna say these are like 3M swooshes here, man. So when I watched Unbreak's video, he showed the gray and he showed these, and I thought they were the same ones, but you got a 3M swoosh and you've got a gray swoosh. And I don't know, I may have that backwards. It may be 3M and gray. I'll try to put a picture up with a flash on, man, so you can see the difference. One of these 2 is 3M, and of course you have the red. So what I'm gonna do is, man, I'm gonna take a minute and swap out one of each on these guys, so you can see what it looks like when you swap them guys out, man. So give me a second.
One eternity later.
So here you have the first 2 colorways of swooshes that I put through, man. You've got the red, university red swoosh, which of course that looks dope, man. I definitely like the look of that. But to be honest, I'm gonna tell you why I like the elephant swoosh probably the most, man. Just because we're talking about a Jordan 3, man, and every Jordan 3 has always had that elephant print on it, man. So the fact that you can incorporate the elephant print, even though it's the Air Max 1 colorway, I think that's pretty dope myself. Like, and I know I like to be different. Y'all might be like, ugh, that's gross. It's all Gucci, man, but I definitely rock with that elephant print for that reason, y'all mean? So these are the first 2 colorways that you got going on here, man. You let me know in the description whether you like those first 2 colorways, and give me 1 more second and I'll be back with the other 2 colorways. And we're back with the other 2 colorways, man. So these are the 2 grays, man. I'm not sure which one is which, man. I'm gonna take a picture of this guy, man, and I'll be able to show you. Let me drop that picture in right here, man, so you can see which one is a 3M and which one isn't. So you can let me know in the bottom whether or not you like these two the best. Now I know with the Trav Scotts, man, you do the multiple swoosh thing, man. I haven't seen anybody put that thing together on these yet, man. So I'm sure at some point, man, we'll see this kind of look going on, man, or probably this kind of look going on, man. You can freak these guys and do a lot of things with these things, man. So hopefully, man, y'all are able to get a pair of these, man. These do drop this Saturday, which is, let's see, it's the 26th, the 30th, man. These drop on the 30th. So hopefully you're able to grab these guys, man. Inside the tongue, as with all the Tinkers, you got the Tinker Hatfield there. That is in both shoes. It does come with multiple laces. You got two sets of gray laces, man, in the big old baggy bags. What else you got, man? You got black on the sole, man. That's kind of strange. That is the only black on the entire shoe. You do have black on the sole. The midsole is, of course, that all white with that gray that kind of running all the way through these guys, man. But I am not gonna flex, man. I am loving this shoe. Now, that being said, man, I was a fan of all of the other Tinkers as well. I do have every Tinker that released. So just know, man, that's not a coincidence that I grabbed these guys, especially early. Of course, you got the Man of the Wood, Justin Timberlake. You got these guys right here, man. I do rock these. And of course, man, you had the Justin Timberlakes, man, that released on Super Bowl 2018, man. As you can see, I did rock the hell out of these, man. I do rock the hell out of these. I probably need to clean them up, man. Got that 3M swoosh. Dope sneaker, man. Really, really happy to have these, man. These are the Tinker Hatfield Airmax 1s, man. I'm just gonna call them the Tinker Hatfield Airmax 1s, man. And these guys, there's a lot of people say they don't like them, man, but I don't know. Once you see these guys on feet, you might be like, ooh, wow, wait a minute. I definitely rock with them. Yao Ming. Hopefully, man, y'all are able to get your pairs on the 30th, man. I believe they will be available, but hopefully you're able to get a pair, man. So shout out to everybody who continues to rock with us, man. That is it, man. These guys, man, these Air Max 1 Tinker Hatfield Jordan 3s, man, in the building. An early look at these guys, man. An early look at these guys. Like I say, hopefully you're able to cop a pair. It's your boy Pop, Solo Dolo, man. Austin is taking a test. He got some homework to do, man. Gotta get on his thing, man. He had a good practice today. And that's it, man. Dad Cam checking out.